Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. It was written by Doreen Corrin, and the pictures are by Betsy Lewin. Farmer Brown has a problem. His cows like to type. All day long he hears click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo. At first he couldn't believe his ears. Cows that type? Impossible. Click, clack, moo, click, clack, moo, clickety, clack, moo. Then he couldn't believe his eyes. Dear Farmer Brown, the barn is very cold at night. We'd like some electric blankets. Sincerely, the cows. Look, the cows typed a letter to Farmer Brown. It was bad enough the cows had found the old typewriter in the barn. Now they wanted electric blankets? No way, said Farmer Brown. No electric blankets. So the cows went on strike. They left a note on the barn door. Sorry, we're closed. No milk today. And you can see in the background of this picture here, Farmer Brown. Does he look happy or does he look sad? No milk today, cried Farmer Brown. In the background, he heard the cows busy at work. Click, clack, moo. Clickety, clack, moo. Clickety, clack, moo. The next day, he got another note. Dear Farmer Brown, the hens are cold too. They'd like electric blankets. Sincerely, the cows. The cows were growing impatient with the farmer. They left a new note on the barn door. It says, closed, no milk, no eggs. No eggs, cried Farmer Brown. In the background, he heard them. Click, clack, moo. Click, clack, moo. Clickety, clack, moo. Cows that type, hens on strike. Who ever heard of such a thing? How can I run a farm with no milk and no eggs? Farmer Brown was furious. Farmer Brown got out his own typewriter. Dear cows and hens, there will be no electric blankets. You are cows and hens. I demand milk and eggs. Sincerely, Farmer Brown. Duck was a neutral party, so he brought the ultimatum to the cows. So here comes Duck with the letter from Farmer Brown. The cows held an emergency meeting. All the animals gathered around the barn to snoop, but more of them could understand moo. All night long, Farmer Brown waited for an answer. Duck knocked on the door early the next morning and he handed Farmer Brown a note. Dear Farmer Brown, we will exchange our typewriter for electric blankets. Leave them outside the barn door and we will send Duck over with the typewriter. Sincerely, the cows. So they're making a deal with Farmer Brown that they'll give up their typewriter for electric blankets. Farmer Brown decided this was a good deal. He left the blankets next to the barn door and waited for Duck to come with the typewriter. Look at how happy those cows look with the electric blankets and the chickens. The next morning, he got a note. Dear Farmer Brown, the pond is quite boring. We'd like a diving board. Sincerely, the ducks. Click, clack, quack. Click, clack, quack. Clickety, clack, Quack. Here's the end. The duck played a trick on the farmer. Now let's look at this book. This is the cover of our book that says Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. And it tells us the author who wrote the words of the story and the illustrator who made the pictures. This is the back of the book. And here is the spine of the book that tells us the name of the book when it's sitting on a shelf. Can you think, who are the main characters? Who are the characters that are in this book? I'm going to give you a minute to think. One of the characters is a person. That person is Farmer Brown. Some of the other characters are animals. The most important animal in this book are the cows. And then there's the duck. He's an important character as well. Remember the setting? We talked about the setting. A setting of a story is going to tell you where it happened. This story happens on a farm. Good job, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type.